Good morning, everyone. The given topic is chemistry at the origin of life. Myself, Taushifa from 3rd BSc Chemistry. I start my presentation by saying Sir Isaac Newton words, if I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giant. Chemistry through the years, 18th century gas chemistry, 19th century organic chemistry, 20th century nuclear chemistry, 21st century quantum chemistry. Democritus coined the term atom. Aristotle gave four-element concept, that is fire, air, water and land. Later 20th century, Robert Boyle, 1627 to 1691. In 1665 in Oxford, along with his assistant Robert Hooke, devised the vacuum chamber. First prominent scientist to perform controlled experiments and publish his work. His law P1V1 is equal to P2V2. Anthony Lavoisier, first person to make good use of the balance changing chemistry from qualitative to quantitative. Disproved Pauling-Stern theory, instead he proposed combustion theory. His law is known as law of conservation of mass. Joseph Protus, law of constant proportion, 1799. The proportion of a compound of a chemical compound are always the same no matter how it is prepared, become more clear to scientists in 1803 with the help of John Dalton. First to identify the sugar that comes from grape as glucose. Avogadro, his hypothesis in year 1811, at the same temperature and pressure, equal volume of gases containing same number of molecules. Extremely radical for the time period, was not accepted for another 50 years. John Dalton, his atomic theory in year 1803, elements are made of tiny particles called atom. All the atoms of same elements are identical. The atoms of given element are different from those of any other element. Elements combine to form compounds. Mass is neither created or destroyed in a chemical reaction but can be rearranged. Events that leading to the periodic table. Johann Dobenier, his law of triads. He proposed that nature containing triads of element where the middle element has property that were an average of other two members when ordered by the atomic weight. John Newland, law of actives. Any given element will exhibit analogous behavior to the eighth element following it in the periodic table. Mendeleev, late 1860, arranged 63 known elements into group based on chemical and physical properties. Where a gap existed, he predicted a new element would be found and its properties were found during his lifetime. Mayer's 1864 textbook include an abbreviated version of periodic table consisting of approximately half of the element listed in order by atomic weight and demonstrated periodic valence changes as a function of atomic weight. Noble gases. 1904 Chemistry Nobel Prize for Ramsay and Physics for Rayleigh. Rayleigh was studying nitrogen in the air and noted the weight are always greater than that of nitrogen in other compound. This argon was found. Discovery of other noble gases has followed quickly. Glenn Seebeck, starting with his discovery of plutonium in 1940, he discovered all trans uranium element. He received Nobel Prize in 1951 in chemistry for his work. J.J. Thomson, he got Nobel Prize in physics at 1906. In 1871, became a professor at the Greenwich Laboratory in Cambridge, England. Experiment with electric current inside empty glass tube cathode rays. Proposed the first model of the atom with subatomic particles. Credited with the discovery of electron based from his work with cathode ray tubes. Plum pudding model. The atom is made up of positively charged pudding with negative electrons distributed throughout to neutralize the atom. Robert Millikan, oil drop experiment proposed in 1909, determined the size of the charge of an electron. Rutherford, New Zealand physicist, awarded a scholarship to Cambridge University, where he was influenced by J. J. Thomson to study the recently discovered X-rays. Coined the term alpha, beta, gamma, half-life, proton. Give credit for the proton and nucleus. 1907 went to University of Manchester to work with Hans Geiger. 1908 received Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work with radiation and atomic nucleus. Approximately 1909 discovered the atomic nucleus and proposed a model of an atom. Gold-foil experiment. The atom is mainly empty space through which electrons move. There is a tiny dense nucleus. H.G.J. Moseley died at the age of 27, shot through the head by Turkish bullet at Gallipoli in 1915. Studied the frequency of X-ray given off by cathode rays tube. Found that were a relationship between frequency of X-rays given off by the cathode ray tube and atomic number of the metal used to form the anode. The atomic number was equal to the positive charge of an atom. This then caused the periodic table to be recognized based on atomic number of the element, not atomic weight. Chadwick, 1911, spent 2 years working with Rutherford, main study with radioactive. Along with Rutherford and other noticed that proton did not account for all mass of an atom. The atomic mass is always more than the atomic weight. Hypothesis of the time, that was a proton-electron pairing nucleus making up for the difference of the masses. 1932, Newton discovered to be neutral particle that weighed 0.1%. Niels Bohr, 1922, got Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on atomic structure. Studied under Rutherford in Manchester. Expanded Rutherford theory that electron could travel in certain orbit, that the outer orbit determined the chemical properties of the atom. Also described the way of atoms emit radiation with suggestion that if an electron gains energy, it can jump from ground state to higher excited state. An electron loses energy and fall back to the lower energy level. It gives off photon of light. Heisenberg, influenced by the work of James Chadwick. 1927, uncertainty principle. It is impossible to know both exact location and velocity of an electron at any given temperature. Nobel Prize in Physics in 1932 for the creation of quantum mechanics. We are in the state of quantum mechanics. Thank you.